Soil is a living, breathing organism. And what we want to do is we want to try to make it a little bit more open and airy so that the roots of our sod are going to take hold inside of its living environment. So what we do is get ourselves a rototiller. Now there's a couple of different types. There's a front end rototiller, and if you use one of those on really hard soil, it's gonna bounce around all over the place. But if you use a rear tine one, it really stays on the ground a whole lot more. You allow the machine to do the work. It may look like he's pushing that thing, but he's not. He's letting the wheels do the work. He's letting the tines do the work. It's really just a beautiful thing. Now what'll happen is that while he's doing all this, some of the rocks are going to be coming up to the top. We're going to remove those. The other thing is that he's taken and put these flags all over the place. That marks where the irrigation is at. So this way you don't go running over the irrigation, because who wants to repair that again? Now the next step in this whole process is by getting ourselves some organic material to put inside. And the best way to do it is just bag by bag. You'll probably want to take these bags and place them out in their spots at first. And you don't have to be careful with them. Just drop them on the ground just like that. Now here's a really important thing to remember when we're talking about opening up our bags. There's two ways to do this. If you're going to be keeping some of the material behind and use it for other jobs, you can take and you can cut it from this side over. This way you can take it and use whatever you need and then roll it up. But on this particular case, what we're going to do is we're going to let the bag work for ourselves. And the way we do that is that we want to have a sharp knife of some sort, and then you want to take the knife and you want to cut it lengthwise. So you just simply take and cut it like this, open it up all the way just like this, and what will happen is pure magic. You're not going to have to fight the bag, because look what happens. It just all comes out. Look at this. Oh, it's like gold. Such a beautiful thing. Everything comes out in one fell swoop. Now what we'll do is that we'll come back and we'll make sure that the whole area gets raked in, and then one more time with our rototiller to mix it in within the first inch or two, then level it out again, then we'll see what happens after that.